Digital Land Survey (DLS) equipment is an assembly of components available in the market. It has a drawing board mounted on stand with adjustable height arrangement. Rays are drawn by a sighting vane to ground objects on a drawing sheet. Necessary distances are measured by laser meter mounted on the drawing board on a small stand. The boundary map is completed in the office using the software and the desk computer. Complete assembly is shown on the screen.
Digital Land Survey equipment has replaced the functions of 3 survey instruments presently in use. Number 1 Theodolite, number 2 Auto Level, number 3 the Total Station. Market price of above 3 instruments varies from 10 to 25 lakh rupees. On the other hand, Digital Land Survey equipment assembly costs only 1 lakh rupees. Hence, appreciable saving on instrument cost is apparent. The working with present instrument is very tedious and technical graduates are required to operate them. DLSE assembly can be operated by undergraduates after little training. This is appreciable time saving in the fieldwork in case of DLSE assembly.
Production and marketing strategy of DLS equipment. Name of the product: Digital Land Survey Equipment (DLSE). Graduates recruitment for following jobs is opened. 1 sales agent to book orders for sale of DLSE equipment. 2 people interested in setting a workshop at their places for production and supply of DLSE equipment as per sales agent's orders. 3 people interested in making assembly of DLSE equipment in the workshop. 4 online trainers to train graduates to make assembly of DLSE equipment in the workshop. Our contact details and email ID are given for persons who want to join business of making and marketing the DLSE equipment.
Target market. DLSE assembly is useful in the following areas. Number 1, all engineers and architects professionals. Number 2, government engineering departments carrying out land surveys for making maps and plans. Number 3, engineering colleges having civil engineering department. Number 4, revenue department, Patwari map making. Number 5, consultant groups developing and designing BOT, build, operate and transfer projects for execution of social welfare projects. Marketing network. Following people are employed in the setting of the marketing network of DLSE assembly. Number 1, dealers and sub-dealers may approach for the sale of equipment. They need to set franchise center also for the training. Number 2, management trainee are employed at each franchise center.
All graduates looking for a new startup may join our online training classes for production and marketing of DLS equipment. Our contact details and email ID are given for persons interested in joining the marketing network of DLS equipment. Please subscribe the channel and forward the video to your friends. Thank you.